Hi children, good morning. Now I am discussing with you about in 10th class first chapter nutrition, food supplying system. Nutrition means the process of taking food into the body is called as nutrition. The study of nutrients are called as nutrition. NIN means National Institute of Nutrition. It is one of the national organization research on nutrients. It is located in Hyderabad. Different kinds of nutrients are there. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats or lipids, vitamins and minerals, fibers, water. These are different kinds of nutrients. Why we are taking these all nutrients? What is the need of food? Food provides us energy. It helps in growth of an organism, development of an organism, for repair, to maintain body temperature. What is the need of food? For growth, for development, for repair, to regulate body temperature or to maintain body temperature. That is the need of food. We have different kinds of nutrients. First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present in food materials like rice, wheat, maize, potatoes, etc. Function of carbohydrates provides energy. Carbohydrates provides energy for us. Second food component is proteins. These are present in different food materials like meat, milk, eggs. Main function of proteins, which helps in body building. If we develop our muscles or if we develop our body, we must take a proteinous diet. Next one, fats or lipids. These are present in different food materials like oil, ghee, butter, etc. Fats produces a heat and which stores energy in our body. This is third food component. Next one, vitamins and minerals. These are present in different food materials like fruits and vegetables. See, the main function is save us from diseases. Vitamins and minerals save us from diseases. Next one, fibers. These are present in different food materials like peels of fruits and vegetables. For example, apple fruit, banana fruit, oranges fruit. These peels means outermost layer contains fibers. Okay, for example, ridge gourd in vegetable curries. The outermost layer contains fibers. Main function is prevents constipation, which helps in free bowel movement in our digestive tract. Here, constipation means difficult moving motion. If you do not take fiber diet, the fecal matter moves hardly. So fibers helps us in free bowel movement. Finally, water helps in digestion process, reduces joint pains. These are different kinds of nutrients which helps us more. In the universe, different kinds of organisms are existed. Basically, based on the made up of cells, organisms are classified into two categories. First one, unicellular organisms. The organisms which made up of a single cell or one cell. This type of organisms are called as unicellular organisms. For example, amoeba, paramecium. Multicellular organisms. The organisms which made up of one cell or more than two cells are called as multicellular organisms. Example, plant cells, animal cells, and human beings, etc. See, based on the cells, organisms are classified into two types: unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. The organisms which made up of single cell. These organisms are called as unicellular organisms. Example, amoeba, paramecium. Some organisms made up of many cells. These are called as multicellular organisms. Example, plants, animals, and human beings. Next one. Some organisms preparing food material by their own. Some organisms do not preparing food material by their own. Which organisms preparing food material by their own? Those are called as autotrophs. Example, plants, photosynthetic bacteria. Some organisms do not preparing food material by their own. It depends on others. Other organisms for food. Such type of organisms are called as heterotrophs. Example, animals and human beings, etc. Okay. Next one, autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition means the mode of nutrition in which the organisms preparing food material by their own. Those are called as, that is called autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which the organisms preparing food material by their own. That is called autotrophic nutrition. Example, plants and photosynthetic bacteria. Heterotrophic nutrition means the mode of nutrition in which the organisms do not preparing food material by their own. It depends on other organisms for their food. That is called heterotrophic nutrition. Example, animals and human beings, etc. Here we can understand plants preparing food material by their own. Animals do not preparing food material by their own. Okay, what is? Plants are preparing food material by their own. Animals do not preparing food material by their own. It depends on others for food. Okay, plants utilizing a simple inorganic molecules like carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight as energy source in the presence of chlorophyll pigments. Plants synthesize glucose, that is C6H12O6. That is called photosynthesis process. In this process, water is produced, oxygen is released. Water is utilized by the plants, oxygen is releases into the atmosphere. Means the plants synthesizes complex organic molecules, that is glucose. It is one of the carbohydrates. Okay, thank you children.